Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how we can request for a refund or a return. In a situation where you buy something and maybe you ordered it by mistake, or you don't like what you ordered, or it's a situation of what you ordered versus what you got. You just want to return it and get your money back. This is what you do. Click on the U icon, click on your orders. Now go to where the order is, the order information. I'm going to be using an order I got some time ago. So I click on it to see the full information on the whole order. Now that Temu has a one-time free return, okay, and you need to request for this return within 90 days of your purchase. I stand to be corrected, but I think it's within 90 days. Yes. So if it exceeds 90 days, I'm not sure you can request for a return anymore or a refund. So what you do is make sure it's within the allowed window, then you request for it. So once you're on this page, click on the three dots here, and you're going to see return or refund. Of course, if this window is still open to you, you're definitely going to see this option. But if it's not open to you, you won't see the return or the refund option for you to click on. So I'll click on this. Of course, you'll be asked if you've received your package. Yes. And as you can see, you're eligible for only one free return of one or multiple items for every order. So I would recommend that when you're applying for a return or a refund, make sure that all the items you want to return, do it at a go. Let's assume that you got 20 items and you want to return 10. Do request for the return once, all the 10 items once, okay? Don't do it one by one, because you only have one free return, so you can return freely of any charge once. You can either choose one item or multiple items, but it has to be one request for the return, okay? So here I have, I think, more than a few items, like 5 or 6. So let's assume I want to return 2 items. You click on what you want to return, this and this, okay? Others, I'm okay with them, I don't want to return them. Now, I'll also recommend that you have pictures and videos explaining or showing what it is that is wrong with the item, why. Just say why you want to return the item. So you click on reason for return. There are many reasons outlined here. Just tick on the one that applies to you, and just like that, you click on next step. Once you click on next step, then you're going to be provided with the return receipt that is going to be generated, okay? So however, they're going to provide, I think, two so far. Yeah, two options of you getting this return receipt. Is either you print out the form yourself. They will give you a PDF file. I don't want to go forward with it because I'm going to be, requesting it, and I definitely don't want to return anything. So once you click on it, you're going to be provided with a PDF file that you download. That's your return receipt. Just take it to your post and give it to them, and just give them the parcel. Of course, you have to parcel it just the way those items came. If you know the way it came, if it was in a carton or in whatever it is, parcel it that same way and send it back, so that you can get your full money on your return. Because if you return it and there is something wrong with it, maybe there is something missing there, you might not get the money, or you might get just part of it. So to ensure that you get 100% of your money back, and of course, they are going to pay back the money into the account where you sent the money from. So make sure the account you send the money from, or if you use PayPal, is still on your Temu app, so that there will be no issues returning the money back to where it came from, okay? So it's that easy. All the refund or return I've requested for here on Temu, I have gotten the full money back, like complete money, not part of it. So if you get something and it got damage on the way, maybe you received the damage and you cannot use it, just provide evidence, do a video, take a picture and upload it here. and I assure you, you're definitely going to get your refund. And it happens very fast. I mean, they'll tell you after the refund has been done, you definitely get a notification, and they'll tell you that it might take 3 to 5 working days for the money to be reflected in your account. Sometimes I get it that same day. If you use your Temu credits to also pay for that order, the money that was taken from your Temu credits will also be returned to your Temu credits, okay? It's that easy. I've had no issues whatsoever doing this at all, okay? So let me know if you have any problem, and if I can, I'll help out. But regardless, if you encounter any problems, you can actually write the customer care. I have a video on how to contact the customer care on this channel, so you can actually check out that video and see how to go about it. All right, if you found value in this video, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. We can discuss in the comment section. Thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.